Alright, we've been working on the Buick here, trying to get some new technology in the door. And I think we've pulled it off. Now we have a side impact intrusion guard beam, like became standard back in the 60s. It's out of a 2000 Camaro. Camaros had a fiberglass door, so this is extra beefy. And I kept the whole end of the door from the Camaro and utilized the modern latch assembly and the catch piece and I'm not finished here exactly, but got a good start on it. And this little knob goes like that. But now, oops, didn't shut it hard enough. There we go. Locked and latched like a normal strong door. We've got that impact bar right there, so that if we have a side impact collision, hopefully we'll still be alive.